Now friends, come to question ID number 2. Okay, question ID number 2. Now Selmes Limited, domestic company, Gamma is a foreign company, has transferred equity shares of the Selmes. So basically Gamma has sold the equity of Selmes. Okay, so Gamma is making some profits on that, made up profits. Both the companies are located in IFSC. So both the units are in the IFSC and its primary business is of leasing of aircraft. So both the companies are in the primary business of leasing of aircrafts. Okay. Now Gamma has also earned dividend of this figure. So Gamma also has a dividend income from its investment in the Selmes Limited. So Gamma has made a investment into Selmes, and on that also you have a dividend. Conversion rate has been provided. Compute the income of Gamma Inc. Okay. Now Gamma Inc. will fully be eligible for the purpose of exemption on this particular front, because both the companies are into the this 4H provisions. Okay. First of all, the 4H provisions. Non-resident unit in IFSC, okay, primarily engaged in the business of leasing. Okay. So Gamma has transferred the equity shares of domestic company. Okay. Domestic company is Selmes, being a unit of an unit IFSC engaged in the primarily in the business of leasing of aircraft. So Selmes should also be in the similar business. Okay. So whatever is the transfer of these equity shares, provided that commence the operation before so and so specified date, if these other conditions are satisfied, then you are fully eligible for the purpose of exemption. So the transfer of equity is fully covered by these particular provisions. Okay. Further, see the dividends transactions. Okay, a unit of IFSC engaged in business of leasing of aircraft, you get dividend incomes from another company being again a unit in IFSC. So another company, that means the company in which you have made the investment should also be a unit of IFSC and again primarily in the business of aircraft. So investor and investee, both the companies should be in the primary business of leasing of aircrafts. Okay, then this dividend transaction is also given a benefit of the exemption. So Gamma will get exemption. Gamma will get the exemption. So out of this given case, nothing will be taxable in the hands of Gamma.